To YouTube, this is your favorite mentor back again, guys, with another banger, and we're coming back to hit. We're coming back to back. We're coming to shake the industry, guys. So if you guys are new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to show support, and for the YouTube algorithm to boost our channel to other viewers, right? Nonetheless, guys, as you can see, we're gonna talk about NAS 100. So without wasting any further more time, let's actually get into the video, right? So the two tools that we're going to be using for this video is going to be a trend line, a Fibonacci retracement, and the rectangle tool, right? So let's start. We're going to start with the rectangle tool. What do we do with the rectangle tool? The rectangle tool is there to identify the high and low of the day, right? Not the day, but of the 4-hour chart. So what you're going to do with NAS 100 on this pair, you're going to start on H4 time frame. When you start on H4 time frame, you're going to look for the high and low of the market before it retraces, right? So now we can see that the market gave us like a retracement. This is where the trend line comes in, right? The market gave us like a retracement here. So let me just mark out this retracement, then I'll get back to you guys. Cool. So the market gave us this correction here, which we call the retracement, right? So here comes in the Fibonacci. You know that the Fibonacci goes from low to high and from high to low, right? So from low to high, we're looking to buy on one of these two zones, right? In this instance, the market came to the 0.50%, right? So we're gonna go down to, we're gonna scale down to the 1-hour time frame to see actually what's happening, right? So we're gonna scale down to the 1-hour time frame to see what's happening. So let me just look for that price. Cool. So what we can see here is that the market actually came to touch the trend line, and then the market rejected, right? And as soon as we can see the market giving us this impulse move from the 50%, we can now be assured that the market is gonna buy, right? We can now be assured that the market is gonna buy, and we can now put our take profit either at this high or this high, right? As you can see, the market hit take profit and it was a good trade, right? So let me remove the drawings and let me find you another zone, right? So it's easy. This is how I kill NAS 100. This is how I get 99.9% of my trades in a correct manner, right? So I'm just looking for that zone which I've showed you. I just want to explain to you how, with another scenario, right? I just want to explain with another scenario. Cool guys. So I don't know where the chart was, but let me use something else as an explanation, right? So in this instance, now we're going to use key levels also, right? So now what we're going to have is we're going to have our rectangle, right? Our high to our low. In this instance, we are looking for a sell, right? We are looking for a sell, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to pull down our Fibonacci to see if the Fibonacci can work in this setup, right? We pull down the Fibonacci, and yes, the Fibonacci can work. We have the 70% zone that has been targeted, right? So as you can see, the market came back into the zone. Let me just go down to the 1-hour time frame so it can be more clear, right? I don't like the way TradingView goes back with the whole setup thing. Yeah, so I was waiting for price to load. So as the market came back to the 70%, we can see the market is rejecting here, right? So now we know that if the market rejects here, right? If the market rejects here a lot, we know that this is a key level, right? So we need to look out for this level, right? So the market rejected. I think me personally, I would have taken my entry I think round about here, right? If I saw these 3 rejections, I would have taken my entry round about here with my proper stop loss above that high, and then with the take profit that's below or that's at this low, right? Look how the market just hits TP, guys. This is like big trades that you can catch on NAS and you can win like 80% of the time, guys, or 85. The only way you're gonna lose is if the market now decides to hit your stop loss. So yeah, in the stop loss can only be hit if the market rejects, right? Because you know that you're correct with whatever you were doing, right? So I'm looking for another setup for you guys. I'm looking for another setup. I am looking for another setup. Let me just see, you guys. Let me just see. Okay, let me go to current market then and see what's happening. So in the current market here, if I have to identify my high, my low and my high, it will be this two, right? So nonetheless, after identifying this two, I just want to plug a trend line to see where market structure is, right? Let me just plug a trend line to see where market structure is. So currently I am seeing like a buy, right? I am seeing like a buy, and then we have like a trends in trends here, right? So this plays a big factor in the market right now. So when having trends in trends, you should capitalize, guys. You should capitalize. Cool. And then I have one above. So I'm just analyzing. I'm just using every tool that I've said, right? I'm doing it practically now. So now I know where's my high and my low. This thing isn't needed anymore. Now I have to plug my Fibonacci to see if my Fibonacci is valid on this specific setup. Cool. So now we can see that the market retraced from the 6 to 1.8, and as you can see how Nasdaq rejected. To me, Nasdaq is just gonna buy, right? From now on, Nasdaq is just gonna buy. So I'm gonna send out even my buys now in my group, guys, because the market is highly volatile now. The market is volatile as shit now. But I'm gonna target the 0 points, and then I'm gonna put my stop loss right below here. Right, this is a 1:5 risk to reward ratio. So if you want to join my signal group and get these wonderful signals, click the link below in the description or click the link in the comments section. There is where you will be able to join my free Telegram group. And as you guys know, GT Algo V1 is out, and as you saw in this video, the robot made 21,000 in its second week, guys. So which means this robot is very powerful. This robot is very volatile, and the robot is very aggressive, right? Even with small accounts, the robot trades on NAS 100, US 30, German 30, currencies, commodities, and so on, right? Nonetheless, guys, this is your mentor Uncle Nasdaq signing out, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, guys, and leave a comment down below so I can get a feeling or an idea of what you guys are thinking about the channel, right? And click the bell notification icon so you can get notified once I upload, guys. Share the video with your friends and family so they can also get notified of the knowledge we're sharing here, because we're sharing powerful knowledge. This is your mentor Uncle Nasdaq signing out, guys. Thank you.